Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I've gone and bought the other half of a straight pipe. I sound so out of breath because those 3 bolts that go under here connect into the decat, to the catalytic converter, sorry. They were a bit of a pain to get off, so now we've got to get that end down off, then we can put them together and put the new one on. So there's not a lot of work to do, but so I mean that's how I've done the stand at the minute. Hope that's better for everybody. Like I say, I don't know where to put everything and what I'm doing, but it's all learning, isn't it? So I'll come back to you when I've got this bit of pipe off. So we're back, we got it off, and as you can see, that's the old one to the new one. Pretty sure you can tell the difference, but you never know. So now we're going to fit it, and I'm just skipping all these boring bits because, I mean, all it is me sat under a car, or laid under a car, screwing things in. But if you want to see them, then you'll have to let me know and I'll do it for the next video. Hey everyone, so we're currently parked up at the minute. Took it out for a test drive. I mean, see if you can hear. Hopefully the camera's not gonna. It's not too bad at the minute, but just give it a rev. She's blowing a bit, but I'll get some sealant on that and sort that out. But at the end of the day, like I said, hopefully you're enjoying the videos. But if you want longer content of me actually doing the bolts and all this and jacking the car up, you have to let me know, because I've gone for 15 minutes and this ain't going to be a long one. So, but as well we've got, trying to think which one the next one is. We've got the fastest show we're going to, so if I see any of you lot there, just come say hello. And then it'll be Jap Fest after that on the 30th of May. Hopefully I'll have some more stuff done to this, but there's also another car we've got hopefully soon coming down in the timeline, but we'll have to wait on that one, see where we go from there. So I hope you've all enjoyed it, and I hope you are enjoying the family wagon series. I think that's what we'll call this. And yeah, so that's really it. Peace.